What was?
I am duck, walk.
Nandito namin tayo sa bahay nila, Papaya. Namasyal na naman tayo. May chika-chika. So,
They don't have a machine. Only one.
Okay.
One will bring them here. When the season changes, there will be southwest wind.
Okay.
So they will have their mast, the big clothes, and then they go to the Gulf.
Gulf area, yani.
Yeah. Here there are so many islands.
Oh.
Arabs.
Arab?
Persians, they have their trade on this side. Until the coming Spain, Spanish and Portugal.
Yeah.
They came this way. They took some islands from this almost the Gulf. They scattered here.
Yeah.
And South India. There was a king in Iran called Shah Abbas. He sacked them out from this area first. They went to Philippines.
Oh.
They came for 2 ways.
But are you using the ship, yani?
Even Europe and shit also.
In Europe also?
No engine.
Oh.
Mechanical part of it.
Mechanical part.
This is standing.
Yeah.
The wind will take them wherever they want.
Okay. See, Baba, before, what do you call Philippines, you said? What's the name of Philippines before? Still Philippines. Before Spanish come. Oh, ano tawag? Saan? Sa Pilipinas, bago ang Spanish na pumunta daw ng Pilipinas.
Hindi ko alam.
Pilipinas naman na rin pala ang alam ko eh.
Pilipinas na rin.
Oh, see? Baba?
Pilipinas. Bakit? Ano ba sabi ni Baba?
What is Philippines?
Philippines is
What is the name?
What is the name? It's Philippines.
I'm telling.
What, Baba? What do you want to know?
Sabi
I
niya,
want to know.
before.
What you know about your country?
What's the name of Philippines before Spanish come?
I don't know, Baba. Only I know is
Philippines.
Philippines.
Baba?
What was the name?
What's that?
What was
Was.
the name of Philippines?
What was living? What was?
I am duck, walk.
Ito guys, yung pauwi na ng Pilipinas pero pumayat, paano pa yan? Walang mayayakap.
Masarap ba ito, Tess? Yung nagbakasyon sa...
Masarap po.
Nagbakasyon na alaga mo dun.
Kunwari ikaw yung nagko-commercial ka ng takis.
Hindi lang mo nagkatako. Pwede kayo sa sa amin. Pero kapag yung pa sa amin. Sabi ko lang, hindi gusto daw po nila na may experience. Kasi nga daw please lang ano.
A few moments later.
So, kakain na po tayo at ito ang ating ulam ay pagkain for our dinner.
Kanino to ba ito, Te?
Kay Abdallah. Abdallah Basi.
Abasi, kalasa, de? I will eat your food,
My vlog, baby. Uy, gumaganda ka.
Yan na naman siya, maganda na naman ako. Yan yung noodles na yun. Ay, ba ito?
Uy, kawawa naman. Tulungan nyo. Tulungan nyo. Say hi. Say hi to my vloggers. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my ear vlog.
Anong kinakain mo?
Ito.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Kung sa Pilipinas yan, panigang, pang sinigang. Dito yan, kinakain.
Alin naman ano ka dyan? Alin ano ka dyan? May ano ka dyan?
For today, sandwich.
Masarap din, no? Ang alin? Masarap, no?
Ano yan, te? Itlog. Itlog ba yan?
Oo, itlog ate. Pinagmamalaking
Ano yan?
Itlog.
Itlog ka?
Hindi.
Ito, ano ka? Ha? Ubus ka? Siya itlog? Yung nasa likod mo
Hindi
itlog?
naman ang my birthday. Ba't parang naging my birthday?
Ito, kubos.
Sino my birthday? Itlog. Masarap ka lang bigyan.
Hi guys, pagkain natin.
Moses.
Yan. Minsan yung kanyang wife. Guys, we're here again making hugas-hugas the baso-baso rice.
Wala akong energy.
And this is our
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Eh, ang ganda mo.
Sorry, I am so tired now.
Tired ba yan?
I don't have energy.
Energy ba yan?
Energy.
Energy? Bracket? So, time check guys. It's 1 o'clock. Dito na tayo ngayon sa bahay. Kararating na lang natin. So, gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa lahat mga nanonood. Shoutout po sa inyo. At maraming salamat po sa panonood. So, see you again sa next video natin guys. Bye-bye!